If you're experiencing crashing issues while playing Red Dead Redemption 2, follow these steps to help improve the game's stability. This guide will provide you with simple solutions to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Update your graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Installing the most recent updates can resolve compatibility issues and improve performance. Step 2. Verify game files. Use the game launcher Steam, Epic Games, or Rockstar Launcher to verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, which can help eliminate crashes caused by file issues. Step 3. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game options. Reducing the resolution, texture quality, and other graphical features can decrease the load on your system, making it less likely to crash during gameplay. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background while playing. Programs such as web browsers, streaming services, or other games can consume system resources and lead to instability in Red Dead Redemption 2. Step 5. Check system requirements. Make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Red Dead Redemption 2. If your hardware is below the recommended specifications, consider upgrading your components or playing on a system that meets the requirements. By following these steps, you can help reduce the likelihood of crashing issues in Red Dead Redemption 2. Enjoy your gaming experience and may your adventures in the Wild West be uninterrupted.